Hello everyone, I am Noel Christopher DT, and now I will report about how AI enhance human capabilities and create new job roles. Introduction. Imagine a world where repetitive tasks vanish, leaving room for creativity and problem solving. That's what AI is doing. It's not here to replace us. It's helping us to work smarter. From healthcare to AI is automating routine jobs and creating new ones. For example, in our booming BPO industry, like Accenture is using AI to analyze customer data. This is not cutting jobs. It's sparking new roles like AI trainers and data analysts with thousands of opportunities emerging every year. There are some jobs will shift, but the bigger picture is clear. AI boosts productivity and open doors to exciting careers. That's why we need to adapt, learn new skills, embrace change, and team up with AI. That's all. So now let's go to the impact of AI on job roles. AI and automation are transforming workplaces, streamlining repetitive tasks to boost efficiency across industries like manufacturing and hospitality. While some roles may fade, new ones are emerging, reshaping the job landscape. In high-tech manufacturing, for instance, workers are shifting from manual tasks to managing robots, creating for demand for roles like AI programmers and data analysts. These jobs blend technical skills with creativity and adaptability, defining the future of work. For example, in Baguio City, I saw this person at Good Taste restaurant. The robots delivers food to our tables, easing the load on waiters. So the staff can focus on customer service and robot oversight. While while new roles emerge, it shows AI is not replacing jobs, it's enhancing them. To thrive, workers must learn skills like coding or data analysis and stay open to change. AI is redefining work, and by embracing it, we can unlock exciting opportunities. That's all. Thank you.
So, hello, for this part, we are talking about how AI is actually transforming the workforce or employment. Instead of replacing people, AI encourages us to reskill and upskill, meaning we're learning new things to stay updated. This creates a culture of life learning, which is super important nowadays. And also, when humans and AI work together, we became more productive, and AI handles repetitive tasks, and we focus on the more complex human-centered role. So it is really collaboration and it is not competition. So in conclusion, AI is here to enhance us, not to replace us. It allows us to work smarter, not harder, and opens up a new job opportunities instead of removing old ones. In the end, it helps us to focus on what we humans do best. So that's it for our report. Thank you so much.